You can dive into the history of it if you're busy, or feed this to your agent. But let me explain how this works. So imagine you and 5 of your smartest friends have one giant shared whiteboard in your garage. So instead of everyone yelling in the messy group chat and just walking up, you all just walk up and you add your ideas, your research, your drawings, or your code straight to the board. So one of your friends is going to be the researcher. They find good info. One friend is the professional hater. They try to destroy every bad idea. One is the builder, who only makes stuff once it's been checked, and then the last guy is the tester, who actually makes sure it works. Now, they don't talk to each other ever. That's the whole idea of the Blackboard, is they just post their work to the board with their name of how confident they are and the proof of it. And that's essentially how the model works. Then the one final friend is going to read the whole board and only picks what has survived the criticism. So that's essentially how the Blackboard model works. Now, the Blackboard is a permanent shared memory, so it's like a brain that doesn't forget, and all these swarms are AI specialists that work together through it instead of chatting and making stuff up. And the reason why this works really well is when you think about agents communicating with each other, having them actually talk to each other sucks. But having them write what they've done to a shared file, Blackboard, is what most of us ended up doing. That is the workflow that somehow has become the norm. So when you're struggling, if you ask, hey, can you use this Blackboard model? It'll instantly know how to set up a multi-agent collaboration without you even knowing that it's doing that. So that is the Blackboard. So I break big projects into small, clear tasks, Kanban style. Every agent starts with real past data from my brain, and I never trust one AI. I always run critics or adversarial agents against it.